Step 1, go to Google. Not to search how to get rich quick, no, just type PC Monect. Download that spicy little setup file and install it like every other shady file you've installed at 3 a.m. Grinning squinting face. Once done, open it, and boom, welcome to the tech wizard zone. Now, the boring part, make an account. Yes, I know, another password to forget. Just enter your email, confirm the CAPTCHA that proves you're not a robot, unless you are robot face, and log in. Done. Now switch to your phone. Go to Play Store or App Store, search Monect PC Remote, and download that bad boy. After that, make sure your phone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot. Yes, your neighbor's Wi-Fi won't work, I tried. Face with tears of joy. Now open the app, and you should see your PC name pop up like magic sparkles. Tap on that Connect button, and boom. You just hacked into your own PC like Mr. Robot laptop computer collision. Okay, not really, but now your phone is your mouse, keyboard, and even a game controller. Yes bro, you can literally lie on your bed and still play CS, go like a potato gamer potato video game. Look at this. I'm moving the mouse like a pro, typing like I passed my typing test in GTA San Andreas, face with tears of joy. And gaming? Bro, this is legit. Is it better than a real controller? Probably not. Is it free and fun? Yes sir. Raising hands. If this helped, hit that like button like it owes you money with wings, and subscribe for more weird tech hacks. Peace out.